Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with ISEE hair. Once more, you guys know this packaging by now. Very sleek, very neat. So, oh my god, this is their wig, which we're gonna get into in a few. And then I also got this, which is like an extra wig cap. I guess they sent this so I could see the construction of the type of wig that we're working with for today. So in a few I'll get further into this. This is where they put all the goodies in this bonnet. So let's get into it. I got this little envelope, says replacement accessories, 3 combs and an elastic band. I love that they send replacement stuff, so in case, you know, whatever is already within the wig cap, if you lose any of those, you have more. Okay, you have an elastic band which is adjustable, and you have extra combs. I love that the combs in the cap are removable as well. I also got a pack of lashes, a lot of different styles inside. I love that. And then I got 2 pairs of wig caps, and as you guys saw, I got this Princess Collection ISEE hair bonnet. So all my girls that love pink, you love that bonnet. All right, so let's get into the wig that we got today. So this is the wig that we got today, guys. This is 26 inches long. And let me tell you, every time I get some hair from ISEE hair, I realize they've upgraded their quality so much. The texture of the wigs, no matter what, it could be curly, body wave, straight, it's always so silky and soft. Let me tell you, this is perfection right now with this straight texture. That's just an observation for a while now that I've had. So I love that. So for today's wig that we're working with, we have this gorgeous pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked HD it's a glueless closure wig. But what's so special about this one, so you have a lot of space to work with even though it's just a closure. It's pre-bleached and it's upgraded. These knots on this wig, on this lace, they're upgraded, all right, to tiny knots. This is also their medium cap, all right, and I absolutely love I love the construction of this all the time. Like, it's just so convenient. The fact that they add this adjustable strap. Most glueless wigs have this type of elastic band, but I love how they take the time out to really customize each part of this wig cap construction so it fits your head perfectly. So at the ear here, you know, they curve the dome cap is curved to accommodate your ears, so it can curve around it so it sits comfortably. And then these combs are removable. You see that? So if you don't want combs in your wig, you can always remove it or you can leave it in. And as I show you guys, they sent replacements, so it even listed here in the back that it is removable. I'm gonna leave it on because I like having my combs inside my wig. Helps with more security. And it's branded. Everything is branded. It's inside here, it says, you know, wear and go. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, basically it says the same thing on the strap here, wear, go. So it's basically, you guys know the vibes, a wear and go wig. This is their tag. So I absolutely love that. So you have a total of 3 combs on the inside, the combs at the ear portion, and then there's also a comb in the back. Okay, now I love the graduation in the front here. You see that? Everything looks so seamless, and I can tell you, it's not the first time working with one of their bomb wear and go lace closure wigs. It's always perfection. It's really not a lot of work, and it's very beginner friendly. You could get a nice deep side part from this, or you can stick with your center part because the space is definitely there to work with. It is a 1B color for the hair, and that's how everything is. As I said, 26 inches long. I'm gonna put the density and all the specifications in the description box, so please check that out. Let's go ahead and jump into this very easy and quick beginner friendly installation. Basically, you want to hold this portion of the wig and you take this and you slip the wig on over your head, and you pretty much just take the comb and stick it into the back. No swoops needed, no baby hairs. So I know you're seeing a bit of a cast, so there's most of the time like this, the part at the edge that doesn't have any like hair on it, so I usually would cut that piece off. You want to be very careful with that because you don't want to cut any of the hair off. So I'd get really close and just cut away, you know, the excess, and then for whatever is left, in order to try to like completely cancel out the cast, I will go in and use my face powder to tap that out. So that makes it better already, right? This sits so comfortably on my head, and you know why it fits so comfortably? Let me get a little bit into, like, if you notice, it hugs onto like my forehead perfectly, like perfectly. It doesn't look ripply. There's no spaces. And I told you guys, I remember I told you guys when I just unboxed the wig that I have like a cap to show you what the construction is like. So I think I'm gonna put this cap on, take off the wig, just show you guys with this cap on to let you further see how well they constructed this cap and the reason why it sits so well on your head. You basically slip it on, and this is a wig on your head. You see how comfortably you see the curve? So it fits around your ears really comfortably because that's how they made the cap to fit. Now in the front, hugs onto your forehead because it has that perfect dome-like shape, and it was created with that, like it was created specifically to hug like the curve of your forehead like that. The foundation was made perfectly, and so that's the reason why everything else could fall in place to look so natural. This has upgraded knots. They call them the V5 tiny knots. So it just looks, everything comes off way more realistic. And then I feel like for a closure wig, the size of the lace is a plus. So it's a win-win situation. What I do is pretty much just get my face powder to, you know, blend everything better. And this is super easy. So as a beginner, I know you can definitely do this. It looks amazing. No adhesion. You know how it feels good? This is what we're looking like. The hair comes all the way down to my hips. Alright, all the way down. It's 26 inches long, but trust me, it's very true to length. It's very true to length, and it's super silky. Like, I 10 out of 10 recommend this. I think this is really actually the best HD glueless dome cap wig that I've ever tried up to now. The first time I tried it, I said that. You guys see that I've tried a lot and they're beautiful, but this is just superior because of the foundation, I feel like. And then they really have great quality with their hair. Like, the hair itself is immaculate. Okay, so all I'm gonna do, it already lays so flat though, and I love how natural the parting look. All I want to do is, you know, there's just a few flyaways at the top. Just gonna lightly tap that with my wax and get my hot comb to lay it down. So everything is laid really nicely. It's giving scalp. Now this hair, absolutely, straight out of the packaging, it doesn't need to be straightened again. But you guys know me, I'm not gonna feel good if I don't run my flat iron through it not one time. So I don't need to do this because it's so silky. I'm just kind of just grazing through the hair. Like, it's already like butter. Like, you ever see anything like it? It didn't come bent. Like, it just maintained the straight, sleek vibe. It is bone straight out of the package. That's all I need to do. That's all I'm gonna do. Like, what? You guys can't tell me that's not a 10 out of 10. Like, it's a 20. Absolutely no adhesive. Absolutely no swoops. No baby hairs. I see hair. You did that. You did that. You did that. 20 out of 10 recommend this. Shedding very minimal. Very minimal. This is so flawless. I kid you not. Perfect for all my girlies who love a good bust down and that sleek straight vibe. It's perfect for you. Honestly, and this little minimalistic like glam that I have going on goes perfect with it. Like, I can't complain. I'm in love. You guys need to experience this, and as a beginner you're gonna love this. If you're not a wig girl, you don't have to be pressuring your edges nor your skin or anything like that with any product, because this wig don't need all of that. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative once more, because there's always an upgrade to look forward to, and that's what I love with them. And if you guys are interested, you guys know where to go if you want this wig. It's in my description box, the direct link, specifications, if there's any discount, any deals, check it out. That's it. Shout out to ISEE here once more for, you know, this bomb look. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.